Hi folks, Jeff here, and I just want to show you one of the issues that we have on the Chevy pickups, Suburbans, Tahoes, Yukons. And this comes back to if you have a certain year models and your air's not working, the easiest deal is come by the shop or go by a shop in your area, and they'll just peek in through here, get a light and peek in through your grill, and if they see this wet spot, you know your condenser is leaking. And when I say it's on the Chevys, it's because of the design of this. And I want to show you this while we've got it out to take all kinds of stuff loose on these to get them out. And we've got the trim and stuff here. But basically, you see right here we have a line coming in. This is actually your transmission cooler for your automatic transmission. And if you go down just a little, you see there's a cut there. Well, they took a whole condenser and turned it into, part of it is your transmission cooler, and the other part is your AC condenser. So when they did that, what they had was a problem always on this side with the seal between the two of them, causing a leak right there. And if it's wet like that, it's leaking out your Freon. And you can always tell the distinctive spot just by peeking in through the grill. Then we know what to schedule this in for before we even hook it up and everything. This part right here is actually the receiver dryer. This part has the silicate bag in it. And you can see this part is the other part of the transmission cooler. So your fluid goes in and it goes out. This is the disilicate bag. So if you're doing AC work on a compressor, you always have to go in and get to the bottom of this, take this plug out, pull the disilicate bag out, put a new one in and reseal it. In this particular case, the new ones come with a new bag, but that's the easiest way, and I just wanted to show you this to find out a problem that you're having on your AC on the Chevy products. As always, I appreciate you watching.